Hi, this is Webkinz96, and we have Kinsley here today. Hello. And we went to the flea market today, and Kinsley actually went with Jack, and Jack is busy riding the lab. Anyways, we just wanted to show you the new Webkinz we got at the flea market. Inside like the big old the store part of the flea market, there's like a vendor who sells like a whole bunch of Webkinz and stuff with codes, and one of these times I'll go and take like a video of this the Webkinz vendor. But right now, today we couldn't because he was out, and we were actually talking to him, so I didn't want to be like taking a video of his area while he was watching. So we'll show you the Webkinz that we got today, and later you can check out Kinsley's video of like actually walking around checking a couple things out at the flea market. But right now I'm going to show you the Webkinz we got. And the one we got today was the Littlekins Canary. And there's the tag. Whoop, focus. There's the tag, Littlekins Canary. There's the code, Canary. And this is the first one that I have that's in packaging, but he's not going to stay in the packaging. Oh yeah, it's going to be a boy, and his name is Miner, because they used to send canaries in to the mines, I guess. So he's going to be a miner. And yeah, well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later. Bye!